Python is an excellent programming language for building deep neural networks for AI models in stock market prediction due to its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for machine learning and data analysis. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with Python for this purpose. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Environment setup. Install Python. If you don't have Python installed, download and install the latest version from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Package Manager. Use pip, Python's package manager, to install libraries and dependencies. You can upgrade pip using the following command. Pip install upgrade pip. 2. Libraries and frameworks. Install essential libraries and frameworks. Pip install NumPy Pandas Matplotlib Scikit-learn TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a popular deep learning framework that you can use for building neural networks. You can also consider using PyTorch, which is another popular option. 3. Data collection and pre-processing. Gather historical stock market data from reliable sources or APIs like AlphaVantage, Yahoo Finance, or Quandl. Pre-process the data by handling missing values, scaling features, and organizing it into suitable datasets for training and testing. 4. Building deep neural networks. Import the necessary libraries at the beginning of your script. Python. Import NumPy as NP. Import Pandas as PD. Import TensorFlow as TF. From sklearn.model_selection import train_test_split. From sklearn.preprocessing import min-max scaler. Define your neural network architecture using TensorFlow's Keras API. For stock market prediction, you might want to start with a simple architecture like a feed-forward neural network, multi-layer perceptron, or a recurrent neural network, RNN. Compile your model, specifying the loss function, optimizer, and evaluation metrics. Train your model using historical data. Be sure to split the data into training and testing sets to evaluate model performance accurately. 5. Evaluation and fine-tuning. Evaluate your model's performance using appropriate metrics such as mean absolute error, MAE, mean squared error, MSE, or others relevant to your prediction task. Fine-tune hyperparameters like the number of layers, neurons per layer, learning rate, and batch size to optimize model performance. 6. Backtesting and trading strategy. Implement a trading strategy that uses your AI model's predictions to make trading decisions. Backtest your strategy on historical data to assess its profitability and risk. 7. Deployment. Once you are satisfied with your model's performance, you can deploy it for real-time stock market predictions. You might use a web-based interface, REST API, or integrate it into a trading platform. 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Continuously monitor your model's performance and retrain it periodically with new data to adapt to changing market conditions. 9. Documentation and collaboration. Document your code and model architecture thoroughly, and consider using version control systems like Git for collaboration and tracking changes. 10. Ethical considerations. Be aware of the ethical implications of using AI in financial markets, including the potential for bias and unintended consequences. 11. Compliance. Ensure that your AI model and trading strategy comply with relevant financial regulations and market rules. 12. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies to protect your investments when using AI for trading. Building AI models for the stock market is a complex task that requires domain knowledge in finance, data analysis skills, and expertise in deep learning. Additionally, it's crucial to understand that while AI models can provide valuable insights, they do not guarantee profits in financial markets, and there are inherent risks involved in trading. Thank you.